Hey Dad, here's the trailer for the Fortnite Chapter 3. Nice try, it shows the title. Oh no, I messed up. How many upvotes for you to go out with me? 1. I can't believe people actually fall for this. And we are the same person. Are you coming to work today? I was literally just there yesterday. Hi. Hello. Are you male or female? No, I'm Gmail. You mean gay? Can you pick up a card on your way home? My coworker's husband just got deported. What the fuck is wrong with you? I know you're gonna finish the box. I'm hungry, Dad. Maybe check the pantry for some Slim Jims. I'm ration to the kitchen. Any turkey left? Just a box of but they don't have much grease. There's no way you can eat all that. Stop making fun of Furies, and I'm also 100% smarter than you. Oh really? How many chromosomes do you have then? More than you. Oh my. Hey Gatorade, I'm having trouble opening the lid of some of your bottles. Any ideas what the problem is? We're sorry to hear that you're having trouble with our twist-off caps. Maybe hit the gym once or twice, you fucking pussy. Do you want to be my friend? Sorry, but I like you only as boyfriend. Like that's ever gonna happen. I wanted to tell you something. Okay? I wanted to become a dancer after seeing Michael Jackson. I wanted to become a fighter after seeing Bruce Lee. But I wanted to become your husband after seeing you. Ah, that's so sweet. You know what's common in those three? What? You will never become any one of those. When I think of you, the ocean comes in my mind. Because of my eyes? Because you look like a whale. What are you up to? Self-care. You're drunk and lying naked in the moss in the backyard again, aren't you? 100%. If your ass was split horizontally rather than vertically, would it clap when you ran down the stairs? What the fuck, Larry? Hey, what's up? Playing COD. What about you? Nothing really. And text me when you're done. I don't want to bother you. You see? They made a pause button so I could text beautiful girls like you.